Your home decor should reflect your personal style while also aligning with your habits and routines. Whether you prefer modern or traditional, or if you're looking for washable or perhaps sustainable decor, it's now all available in one place. A colorful washable rug, luxurious blackout curtains, or antimicrobial kitchen textiles. Searching online for both looks and features is easier than ever.
Town & Country Living has been making home decor, textiles, and designs under notable brand names for nearly 70 years. I would venture to say you probably have a product or two made by our company in your home right now. At Town & Country, we design and develop our products with a high degree of intent. If a brand has an idea, we vet it with consumer demand and make sure the two meet. While our products fall into the decor space, if you think about it, they're items we walk on, lay down on, our dogs bury in, we open, close, and use our hands with them every day. They're functional decor pieces, and because of this, function and care of those items is top of mind as we develop.
It's essential to balance your household style preferences with product practicality. Functional home decor can make for a beautiful and fulfilling space to call home.
Consider your desired aesthetic and style when you're searching for home decor products. Determine if you're looking to enhance your current decor or bring cohesion to your space, or maybe you're trying to completely change the look and feel of your room. It's really important to have a clear design direction in mind as you continue to shop for decor items. Are you looking for neutral items? Are you looking for a pop of color? Are you maybe seeking textural items to bring some coziness to the space? Just be sure to consider pre-existing pieces in your room, along with fixed home furnishings like flooring, cabinets, and larger furniture that's a little bit more complicated to change. Lifestyle plays a huge factor in choosing your products that not only speak to you visually, but with features and benefits that suit your home and your use. If you're really busy, I would choose a low-maintenance product with easy care materials. Easy care products are ideal for dorm life, busy apartments, and homes with active pets and children. If you have a quieter lifestyle and you use your home as a luxe getaway from the busyness of life, you may gravitate towards higher quality pieces that last with more proper care and attention.
Trends often mirror the world around us, capturing the essence of our environment in the most simplified and impactful ways. As our planet faces significant challenges, it's crucial for us to be more conscious of our choices and contribute to a more sustainable future. Machine washable rugs are a perfect example of this mindset. These rugs feature home-friendly tones with pop of color, soft materials, non-skid backing, and easy care, all designed to be both practical and reusable. Their sustainability and functionality make them a trend that's both stylish and responsible.
Town & Country Living designs innovative and functional products for every room in the house, as well as for those coveted outdoor spaces.
We're truly a leader in the home textiles business, providing home decor and textiles for every room inside and outside of your home, ranging from rugs and mats to kitchen and table linens to window treatments and hardware, along with entry mats, outdoor pillows, curtains, and tons of beautifully constructed products in between. We cater to all decor styles and develop products with a wide range of demographics in mind, and our newest in-house brands, Town & Country Basics, Town & Country Everyday, Town & Country Luxe, Town & Country Terra, and Town & Country Play all have their own sense of style that's fitting for customers searching for quick, quality solutions to high-quality sustainable products and washable and durable pieces with bold designs and trendy styles. We prioritize coordination between pieces within brands, making shopping and styling super easy. We also put a lot of care and focus on innovation and quality materials to include features and benefits and designs that consumers are looking for to improve their lifestyles made with durable and sustainable materials that are made to last.
Town & Country was one of the first companies to offer area rugs made from recycled materials. It takes approximately 150 plastic bottles to create a single 5x8 rug. Our current assortment features multiple collections crafted from recycled or natural fibers, including a variety of washable options.
The goal of our team is to create products that modern people and families need to satisfy and elevate their lives. We ultimately aim to serve them those products where they're shopping, whether it's search bought and shipped online, ordered from your mobile phone and picked up in store, or even spotted and purchased on social media. There's really something for everyone, and Town & Country brands are here to help.
To find out more about Town & Country Living, visit townandcountryliving.com or designingspaces.tv.